It's Jennifer, and tonight I'm going to do something a little bit different. We're going to discuss the argan oil, and I'm going to show you how I use it as a leave-in or overnight hair treatment. I know I've discussed with you before how I had done put it in my hair, let it sit overnight, and then the next day I washed it out and used our deep conditioner. So we're gonna do a video where I kind of show those steps and show you what it looks like afterwards. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do that. So I've gone ahead, and this is me all natural. I've washed my face, I've moisturized, and now I'm going to just kind of section off my hair. Nothing fancy, and I'm going to start putting in the oil. Now, tomorrow is hair wash day for me. Like I said, I like to go in between. If you've been watching me, you know I like to extend in between washes just to kind of keep my hair as healthy as I possibly can. So I like to start at the bottom and then work my way up into my scalp. And we don't need a lot of the oil because a little bit goes a long way. So, but I do like to make sure that I get all of it. So we're gonna get started here. And just to let you know, I like to use these little alligator clips, but I'm not a fan of these metal ones. And guess what? We just got some. JuvaBun just got some, so I can't wait to get those in my hot little hands and try them out and tell you all about those. Isn't that so exciting? I'm loving all the products that they're bringing us, you guys. Okay, so this bottle is amazing. It has the little dropper. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. I'm just gonna show you here. I just put a little bit in my hand, okay? Just a little tiny bit. And I start down here at my ends and I work my way up. And that little drop I'll use on this bottom section of my hair. I know it's silly, right? But I wanted to give you guys a really good idea of how I do this. So really, a little bit does go a long way. And I just put this bottom section, bottom layer of my hair, and I'll undo this next section and I'll do the same thing. So argan oil, what's so good about it? Sorry if I just shook you guys there a little bit. And let's talk about the benefits of argan oil. So argan oil is really good and for helping with shine and helping to control frizz. If you have frizz in your hair, it helps with dryness, helps with moisture, helps with the scalp, all sorts of the good stuff. And I noticed that when I just got my hair colored today, anyways, it's been a week since I had my hair colored, but I noticed today I was rocking some frizz. So this is really gonna be helpful for that. Okay, so you can see that I'm not really saturating it. You can see that I'm just putting in a little bit and just kind of working it up. I'm gonna go onto this last little section here. I just like to comb it out. And if you notice, I'm not using my hairbrush. I'm using a comb so that I can easily wash it. Because what I don't want to happen is after I get all showered and everything, and I go to style my hair with my hair nice and clean, I don't want my brush to be oily. So use a comb that you can wash. Very important. Okay, so starting at the bottom, working my way up, and we're gonna get the scalp blast. And also I read, whoops, I started at the top there, shame on me. I read that argan oil also has been known to help with combating hair loss, which is huge because I am always finding little clumps of hair in my shower. And I know that as we get a little bit older, we tend to see more of that happening, or if your hormones are kicking from either nursing or having babies, that'll happen too. So this is just a really good option for helping with that. Okay, so again, I don't put a ton in. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit on my fingers again, and I'm gonna really go in and massage my scalp. And I'm not a professional, so if there are stylists out there and you know a better way to do this than I'm doing, by all means, you know, you are the professionals. This is just what has worked for me. It's something that I decided to try one day, and I was kind of blown away at the results. So I was pretty impressed. It does really amazing job. I took some pictures and sent them to my hairdresser of, you know, 1 week I did it with, 1 week I did it without. And I asked her which one she liked best, and she chose the option where I had done this treatment and then rinsed out with the deep conditioner. Well, shampooed and rinsed out with the deep conditioner. So that's it. So what I'm going to do is I will put it up. I like to use this type right here because this isn't going to really hurt or damage the hair. So I like to put this up, and what I'll do is I'll put an old towel over my pillow so that I'm not getting my pillow all junky. And then when I get up in the morning, I will just shower, and then I will use the deep conditioner, and then I will come back on and I will show you. I might do a quick take it down in the morning and then show you what it looks like then, and then I'll do show you after the shower. So that's it. I hope you guys find this helpful, and we'll see you in a little bit. Thanks so much. Good morning. Okay, so here we are in all this loveliness, and I'm about to hop in the shower. I'm going to wash my hair with just my shampoo that I happen to have on hand. This is something that my hairdresser had given to me, and it's just something to help with my hair color, to keep it vibrant. And once I'm done with that, then I'm going to use our JuvaBun Deep Conditioner. And I'll actually condition with this. I'll shampoo twice and condition with this one time. And the reason I'm going to shampoo twice is to make sure that I get all the oils out. So when you shampoo, you want to make sure that you're using the pads of your fingers and not your fingertips. And you really want to massage your scalp and make sure that that's the area that you're focusing on, and then working out towards the ends from there. I'm going to go ahead and just take this out just to comb it through. And I'll do that while we're on the camera here. And then what I'll do is, after I have showered, I will come back and show you what it looks like. And as I comb through it, showered and wet, and then after I style it, so you can have an idea of how it all looks. So here we go. This is it. And we are about to remove all these oils and see the beautiful shine that it's going to give us, the benefits of this argan oil. So we'll see you in a few minutes. Thanks so much. Okay, here we are. I am out of the shower, and we're doing the argan oil treatment, which I put in last night. I started at the roots, or at the ends. I worked my way up to the roots. I massaged it into the scalp. I put it up. I let it sit overnight. And then I showered this morning. I washed twice with the shampoo, focusing on that scalp. And then I used the deep conditioner, which you want to focus in on your ends, because you want to make sure you're not getting your scalp real oily to start, right? Because your scalp is going to produce the oils, and you don't want to have that be an issue. So you want to focus your conditioner on your ends and then work your way up. and let that sit for a few minutes while you do, your face or whatever, wash your body, and then go ahead and rinse it out like normal. So this is where we are in the process. I put my hair up in a towel. I'm going to take it down and I'm going to show you what it looks like after I removed the argan oil. And then I'm going to go and style it and then I'll be back. So you can see how easy it is to really just comb through. I'm not even having to start at the bottom or anything. A little snack there. But so in one of my videos earlier, I talked about how, it might take a little bit of getting used to because it doesn't, I don't know, you expect it to feel like silky or sleek or something, and it doesn't feel that way. And what I wanted to describe is that it feels squeaky clean, like really squeaky clean. And I'm not used to a conditioner doing that. And what I think I love about it, and I think why this makes it look so good and why I'm able to run my fingers through my hair after for so long, is because it doesn't leave a film on your hair. And I think that's what makes this product so amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go, I'm gonna style my hair, put on some makeup, and I'll be back. Everybody, so here are the results. And so I let my hair dry up in that little towel for, I don't know, while I did my makeup and everything. And I did use a heat protectant for when I dried my hair. And I did use a little bit of mousse for the roots just to give it a little bit of volume, because I do have straight hair that is very difficult to style. It doesn't do very much. It's kind of boring, which is why I love JuvaBun Messy Buns and hair products. So I wanted to show you how incredible the results are. And I just wanted to touch base with you and let you know the products or styling products that I used. So again, I just put a little bit of mousse at the roots just to give it some lift. And I did use a heat protectant so that when I was blow drying it, I'm not damaging it. It's funny because growing up, okay, I was a kid of the 80s, right? So we used all the things in our hair and we just didn't care. And they didn't teach us all this stuff. So during quarantine, I've been learning a lot on my own about how to care for my hair and kind of keep it healthy. So here are the results. Let me show you. And again, this is kind of backwards for me, so I apologize if it's a little, if I do things a little odd. So look at all of that shine, and that's what that argan oil does. It's not greasy, it's light, it's perfectly clean, and I can run my fingers through it. It is soft, like silky soft, and it just feels amazing. So yeah, so that's it. I really hope that you have found this video tutorial to be helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them down below and let us know how we can help. Thanks so much. Grab your products at JuvaBun.com. Make sure you grab the argan oil and the conditioner, the deep conditioner, and give this a try yourself. See how you like the results. Thanks so much. Bye.